Hey there, car enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into 15 bizarre car features designed to make your driving experience smoother, safer, and a whole lot more enjoyable. Whether you're a tech lover or just someone who wants a more comfortable ride, these features are here to improve every journey you take. From high-tech safety systems to little luxuries that make all the difference, we've got it covered. So buckle up because you're about to discover some awesome features you might not even know your car could have. Let's get started. 15. Fuel tank indicator arrow. If you've been driving your car for a while, you probably already know which side the gas cap is on. But hop into a new ride, and it can be a bit of a mystery. Fortunately, most modern cars have a handy feature to solve this dilemma. Look closely at the fuel gauge, and you'll spot a small arrow next to the gas pump icon, pointing to the side where your fuel cap is located. It's a simple but useful tool that saves time and helps you avoid those awkward moments at the pump. 14. Road temperature warning. Many new cars are equipped with temperature sensors that display the outside air temperature, which is especially satisfying during the winter months when you're heading south and watching the thermometer rise, letting you know it's time to ditch your heavy coat at the next stop. But there's more to these sensors. In many cars, when temperatures drop, they trigger a road temperature alert, often symbolized by a snowflake icon on the dashboard. Some systems also provide a sound or a message, warning you that the roads could be icy. This alert typically activates when temperatures dip below 38 degrees Fahrenheit or 40 degrees Fahrenheit, as bridges and overpasses tend to freeze before the rest of the road. Stay safe and stay alert. 13. Electronic Stability Control, ESC. Losing control of your vehicle is one of the most terrifying experiences you can have on the road. Thankfully, since 2012, every new car sold in the US has been equipped with Electronic Stability Control, ESC, a system designed to keep you safe. ESC constantly monitors all four wheels, detecting when your car starts to lose traction. If one end of the car begins to slide, the system automatically applies the brakes to specific wheels to help regain control and prevent a skid. In some cars, you can temporarily turn off ESC by pressing a button labeled ESC or showing an icon of a sliding car. This can be useful when you're trying to free the car from slippery conditions like mud or snow, or when towing a boat up a slick ramp. However, for everyday driving, it's best to leave ESC on to keep you and your passengers safe. 12th, heads-up display. We've all seen drivers distracted by their phones, and it's no surprise that distracted driving is a major cause of accidents. It's crucial to stay focused on the road, especially with so many drivers who aren't paying attention. To help with this, many newer vehicles come equipped with a heads-up display, HUD. Originally used in fighter jets, this feature projects essential driving information right in front of you, as if it's floating on the windshield. Common details shown include your speed, navigation directions, and in some cars, even the current speed limit or the song playing on the stereo. With a heads-up display, you can keep your eyes on the road while staying informed and focused. 11. Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, ADS. With all the tech packed into modern cars, it's no surprise that we could use some extra help. Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, to me know ADS, are a set of features designed to make driving safer and more convenient by using radar, cameras, and sensors to monitor the road around you. One key feature, forward collision warning, scans the road ahead for vehicles that may be slowing down too quickly. If the system detects an impending collision and notices that you haven't started braking, it will trigger a visual warning on your dashboard. In some models, the system takes it further by automatically applying the brakes to help prevent an accident. These systems are becoming common on many new cars, including those best suited for long road trips. 10. Storage solutions. We've already discussed how crucial it is to keep your phone out of sight while driving. Thankfully, most modern cars come with dedicated slots or compartments designed to keep your phone securely in place, ensuring it doesn't distract you from the road. These slots are often lined with a non-slip rubber material, making sure your device stays put. But the storage solutions don't end there. Some vehicles offer clever hidden compartments. Take the 2021 Chrysler Pacifica, for example. It boasts a feature called stow and go seating, which lets you fold down the second row seats into the floor when you need extra space for larger items. Even when the seats are up, the areas where they fold down turn into great hidden storage bins, perfect for stowing things out of view. However, here's a pro tip. Be sure to check these bins from time to time and clean them out. They tend to attract all sorts of small forgotten items, like stray French fries or wet swimsuits after a beach day that can start to smell pretty unpleasant. Having the right cleaning supplies and storage tips will ensure your car stays neat and well organized. 9. Blind spot detection. Merging onto a busy highway can be stressful, even when you've adjusted your mirrors perfectly. There's always a chance that another driver might suddenly enter the lane you're about to move into. That's where blind spot monitoring comes in handy. This system uses sensors, often radar-based, to check for vehicles in your blind spots, typically just behind and to the sides of your car. If it detects something, it'll flash a warning light on your side mirror. If you signal to change lanes while an object is in that spot, most systems will also provide an audible alert, advising you not to move over. It's an extra layer of safety for those tricky lane changes. 8. Backseat alert systems. Tragic stories of parents unintentionally leaving their children in the back seat have become all too common. Thankfully, car manufacturers have taken steps to prevent such heart-wrenching incidents. Many modern vehicles are equipped with backseat alert systems that activate if a rear door was opened before or just after the vehicle was started. If the driver parks the car, turns off the engine, and exits, these systems will sound an alert or flash a warning on the dashboard to remind them to check the back seat. 7. Conversation mirror. Many family-friendly minivans and crossovers come equipped with a small convex mirror located near the main rearview mirror. This handy addition helps the driver or front seat passenger keep an eye on rear seat occupants, especially useful for monitoring young children without the need for constant glances back. The Honda Odyssey takes this feature to the next level with its optional cabin watch system. This upgrade uses cameras in the rear seat area to provide a live view of what's happening in the back, all at the press of a button. 6. Smartphone connectivity. We rely on our smartphones for just about everything nowadays, whether it's texting, calling, streaming music, or navigating. However, using our phones while driving is not only dangerous, but also illegal in many areas. Thankfully, Apple and Android have created systems to help integrate our phones safely into our vehicles. Known as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, these platforms allow you to connect your phone and use key features in a way that's safer for the road. While you can't play games or watch movies, both apps allow you to access navigation apps, music streaming services, and other essential features through your car's infotainment screen. 5. Drowsiness detection system. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration and the Centers for Disease Control estimate that drowsy driving causes up to 6,000 fatal crashes annually. While engineers haven't yet developed in-car coffee makers or cold showers to keep us alert, they have created systems designed to detect when a driver may be too tired to continue. These drowsiness detection systems monitor steering inputs and track how frequently lane-keeping systems need to correct the vehicle's path. If the system detects signs of fatigue, it will alert the driver with chimes and a message on the dashboard, often featuring a coffee cup icon to encourage a break from driving. 4. Adaptive cruise control. Adaptive cruise control is a step up from traditional cruise control, especially when it comes to highway driving. While standard cruise control allows you to set a speed and take your foot off the accelerator, it often requires manual adjustments when you encounter slower traffic. You'd either need to cancel the cruise, adjust your speed, or accelerate to overtake the vehicle ahead. With adaptive cruise control, your car uses advanced sensors to monitor the road ahead, automatically adjusting your speed to maintain a safe distance from the vehicle in front of you. You simply set a desired speed using controls on the steering wheel, and the system takes care of the rest, slowing down or speeding up as necessary to match the flow of traffic. In many cases, adaptive cruise control is effective even in stop-and-go conditions, bringing the car to a complete stop when traffic requires it. 3. Tire Pressure Monitoring System, TPMS. Following a series of high-profile accidents caused by underinflated tires, federal regulations introduced in 2007 mandated that all passenger vehicles be equipped with a tire pressure monitoring system, TPMS. This system notifies the driver with a warning light usually represented by an exclamation mark inside a tire outline, indicating that one of the tires has lost air pressure. Newer models may even show the precise tire pressure on the dashboard, while older systems still require manual checks for each tire's pressure. It's a crucial feature that helps ensure safe driving and is part of essential car maintenance knowledge for every driver. Second, seat massagers. Long drives can sometimes turn a fun road trip into a draining experience. To make things more comfortable, some vehicles, like certain Lincoln models, offer built-in seat massagers that help ease muscle tension and promote relaxation. These massaging seats are more than just a luxury. They can improve circulation and reduce the stress of hours on the road, or even help you unwind after a tiring day at work, especially when you're stuck in traffic. 1. Heated steering wheels. Heated seats are great for warming you up on a chilly morning, but after scraping ice or snow off your windshield, your hands are probably freezing. Plus, with the modern trend of large touchscreens in cars, controlling the stereo or adjusting climate settings can be tricky when you're wearing gloves. That's where a heated steering wheel comes in. With just the push of a button, a heating element beneath the wheel cover will quickly warm up your hands, melting away the cold and providing relief. You'll typically find the button either on the steering wheel itself or near the seat heater controls. Well, there you have it. 15 bizarre car features you probably didn't even know existed. From secret compartments to high-tech gadgets, modern cars are packed with surprises that make driving more fun and convenient. Which feature blew your mind the most? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome car content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.